Welcome to Hairfree and Hairgrow Clinic, Hyderabad, your trusted destination for advanced hair restoration solutions, located in the vibrant city of Hyderabad. As you enter, a welcoming reception area sets the stage for a smooth and comfortable experience. Our spacious and thoughtfully designed waiting area offer a relaxed and comfortable atmosphere for all our patients. Our dedicated consultation room is where our expert doctors provide personalized hair transplant assessments, guiding you step by step through your hair restoration journey. Our pre-hair transplant preparation area ensures every detail is carefully managed, delivering precision and personalized care before your procedure. Our experienced doctors offer through consultations to understand your hair goals and recommend the best treatment options tailored for you. Our advanced operation rooms, equipped with cutting-edge technology, provide the highest standards of safety, comfort, and excellence in hair transplant surgeries. At Hairfree and Hairgrow Clinic, we specialize in the latest FUE hair transplant techniques, ensuring natural, long-lasting, and confident results. Our team of highly skilled surgeons and trained medical professionals are committed to delivering the best outcomes with utmost precision and care. We use the most advanced hair transplant technologies, including automated FUE systems, superior magnification tools, and refined precision instruments for perfect graft placement. Our dedicated PRP therapy room helps enhance hair regrowth and strengthens existing hair through proven regenerative treatments. Our laser light therapy service uses low-level lasers to energize hair follicles and promotes thicker, healthier hair growth. We maintain a dedicated photography room to document and trace every patient's hair restoration journey with visible and measurable results. See the remarkable transformations achieved at Hairfree and Hairgrow Clinic, Hyderabad. Real stories, real results, renewed confidence. At Hairfree and Hairgrow Clinic, Hyderabad, we are passionate about restoring your confidence one hair at a time. Experience the excellence in hair restoration. Book your consultation today and begin your journey towards healthier hair.